How to turn on or turn off Personal Hotspot, maximize compatibility for 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Personal Hotspot. After that, we scroll down and tap on Maximize Compatibility. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, by turning on the Maximize Compatibility, you can now share your mobile data with newer model as well as older mobile device that only has 2.4 gigahertz. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.